friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change chart color in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for changing the chart color, so firstly click on the lower side of the chart. So after that, here you can see the options of chart. So just click on it, and then you can see change color options. So just click on it, and here you can change any color according to you. So guys, you can see when I move the cursor on the color is changed. So if you want to select any color, so just select the color. So after that, you can see the color is changed. So if you want to change the another color, so you can select any colors and then click on the left side of mouse, and you can see color is changed. So guys, in this way you can change any color in the chart. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.